Surface drainage, so with the zone outside the pool footprint, so you will have pool fence along here somewhere. I'd always say try and make the pool fence, as I say, close to the water's edge is better to give you maximum width outside, but if all you need is a walkway through to this door, you might have it here. But at the garage side of the pool fence and at the house side of the pool fence, I would have a channel drain running all the way along this path, feeding into a stormwater pit here that would be no smaller than a 300 by 300, but possibly a 420 by 420. A paver can go over the top of that. And similarly in this direction, wherever that drainage point is. And don't be afraid of doing a one-way fall back to the house. Often the pavers, landscapers, builders are afraid of it, but I say a one-way fall is often better than two-way fall. So you can fall to the fence line around the pool and keep falling all the way to the house. Have your channel drain at the house, and as long as that channel drain is sealed against the house wall and sealed against each side of the concrete on this side, then every drop of water hitting it is going to go into the drain, and you would have that drain possibly going that way or connecting to that pit at this end, but also perhaps falling in two directions, one direction this way, the other direction to this stormwater point here. Again, possibly replace this with a 300 by 300 pit, although you want to do that quickly because this will be the pathway for the pipes to come through for the equipment layout. So that's a little information about my recommendations for surface drainage. Again, if you're having an electric heat pump here, it makes sense to have a surface drain as well. You'll have, this looks like it's probably might be a stormwater overflow for the old hot water, so that will be perhaps useful for either the provision for groundwater pumping, which you might want to put automation on later, or else it could be useful for a surface drain through this area to service the heat pump. The heat pump will generate condensate, so water off the unit, and it's a good idea to be able to capture that, and if you've got a surface drainage point, that helps. So just a reminder on that level of detail for your landscaping contractor who'll be reinstating this.